Hello, good morning. Good morning for everyone. Sorry, I was reading some material here. Hello, waste of time games. How are you, my friend? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's wait for the other members to join. I'll grab my cup of coffee for you to start well our day. Okay? How are you feeling the markets today? Little slow, huh? Little slow. I saw this particular trade here. I thought it was interesting one. I took it on 5 minutes. I'll explain that later after. Okay, look, I took from here. Okay, and well, it's performing very well. How can I complain of this amount of money, huh? How can I complain about this? Guys, hope you have a great weekend, a great holiday for you who lives in America. We have Labor Day in Canada and United States, so I hope you had enjoyed some free time, some spare time. Very important for you to stay with us, to stay with ourselves. That's what I meant, and stay with our beloved ones, of course. Sometimes we're so deep inside some kind of routine, some kind of uh, normal situations that we just end up forgetting how important it is to spend time with family, how important it is to spend time with our friends, to hang around, hang out a little bit, and do the things you like to do and everything else, right? So I'll be there in a second. Please, if you are coming right now, hit the like button. It's pretty much important for me to support the channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Let's share this link with other members and with other Telegram groups of traders. I know that you may be on many traders group. That's free information. That's a free system. I'm not selling anything. I'm not selling the system. I'm not selling any particular indicator. I'm just here trying to teach you. And if you need further assistance, of course, it needs to be paid, right? But besides that, of course, it's just free. I'll grab a cup of coffee and I'll be right back. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Okay, here we go. Good morning to Adosei. Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you very much, Adosei. Yeah, looking good. Looking very good. I placed a smile, red smile, because let's see how it performs, right? Why is it not ready yet? It's because we need the ADX pointing up a little bit sharper, okay? That's what we need, a ADX pointing up more sharply, right? But I have not a triple cross, not a perfect triple cross, but it was a triple cross around here. We can consider a valid entry. And we have the moving average splitting from each other here. Okay, let's see if it performs like that. And then we have the ADX starting slightly pointing up here. Okay, slightly pointing up. Above that, I have been pointing some information about this higher time frames, and it has generated some kind of controversy, not controversy, but some doubts and questions about it. So important to understand that we have a 4 hour, which is a thinner line here, the thinner line going up, and we have a daily pinkish line as well. So they're both on the sell territory. Okay, right? So I think that, well, it's up to you. Of course, it's always up to you. But I think that, especially because we have this test over here, we can be safely going down this point, right? So feel free to place a trade here, right? Stop loss would be around here, and you can measure your take profit. Let's see. Let's see the auto fib. What's going to tell us? Oh, okay. So we can have take profit around this area here. Okay, it's going to be 10 pips here and 20 pips here. So we can trim some profit over here, and then we can place our other take profit around here. Okay, that's the golden line. And look how it tested precisely the 61.8%, right? Which is this green line over here. It's that magic number. It's the golden number. We should be taking that into consideration, right? And all the 100% after that. Look, it's always showing you the 61.8, 200%, 61.8. That's where we expect price to stop in some level, retrace for a while, or overcome some kind of rejection, right? But that's it. I really like to understand how you're performing, how you're doing, if you're trading or if you're not trading at all, if you're placing trades, if you're testing the system, if you're testing yourselves, of course, right? So let's analyze markets for now. We have a downtrend on the AUD CAN. I'll jump to the 15 minutes. You can have a better perspective here. Look, good opportunity, right? Good opportunity. Although we have an ADX pointing down, I think that it can go up for a very in a very short time. So let's do it. AUD Chief, let's see how is it going. Nothing, pretty much nothing that very interesting. We have a downtrend over here. Yeah, almost 33 pips. It's nothing bad for a scalping session. AUG JPY was performing right. I didn't like this ADX pointing down. Look, down. Now it's going up again. So I don't feel like trading this way, right? I'd rather when it's going down very low, and then start to go up. AUD NZD, nothing interesting. And the AUD USD, right? The same thing here, okay? It had a very strong up movement at this point with a good triple cross. It was a pullback. Okay, we could generate some interesting profit, but I strongly advise you to do not jump into this trade, of course, because it is a counter trend. But if you are nuts and jumped into this trade, it gave you 21 pips at the highest point, right? JPY. The JPY pairs, they were the best pairs to trade, right? Look at this beautiful CAD JPY. Ooh, very, very hot. Coffee. Look, we have a good triple cross here at the opening of the Asian session. It went up, okay? We could have placed our trade around here. It consolidated for almost 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours, precisely 4 hours. And then it went up again. And it was a beautiful uptrend, right? And it's still going. For now, we have almost 110 pips, okay? Chief JPY was pointing up as well, okay? We wasn't able to jump into this trade because it happened early in the morning, at midnight, something near that. So I wasn't able to send you a signal, okay? Euro AUD, we have a beautiful entry around here. Look at that. Around the same time, right? The same time, around here as well, okay? So you could have placed a trade around here. You would have reached almost 100 pips. Look how many opportunities, right? Look how many opportunities. Then it pulled back, it retraced, okay? And we have lost some steam. So this trade is no longer valid, of course, right? EuroCAD, nothing interesting. EuroChief as well. EuroGBP, again, not a very triple cross. That's why we should not place in trades. EuroJPY was a beautiful pair to trade as well. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Okay. We could have placed our trade around here with the splitting moving averages after some point around here. The triple cross have happened. Okay. So we would have reached, oh my God, 150, 60 pips. Almost. Incredible. The power of the system is just nuts. It's incredible. Do you have any questions, guys? You have any questions? Do you have any doubts? Would like something you like to share? Oops, I have a call here. No. Okay. Anything you'd like to share? Something you'd like to ask? All right. So let's keep going. Euro NZD. No, nothing very interesting. We have the triple cross that could have generated a good entry around here, right? So, yep, 60 pips, something around here, okay? More safe in this area here, right? After it became a pinkish ADX, could have exit around here. So 45 pips. Euro USD, I see something happening right now. Look, it's the down territory, of course. This signal here was a counter trend signal, so you shouldn't be trading that. The same here, but now we have a downtrend that have been testing the moving average. I always like to take trades after the candles have tested the moving average and then got rejected. So I know that we have a changing of the trend. Okay, now it becomes a resistance, a reliable resistance, a tested resistance. Okay, let's just wait because we have important news around here. Look how beautiful it is. We have built in all the important information regarding that pair, right? So you have at this pair, of course, Euro economic calendar and the US dollar economic calendar. So we don't have to go anywhere to trade. We can see the economic calendar around here, right? Clicking here. If we have a orange, it's midterm important, and if we have a red, it's important. In this case, that's the PMI, right? It's important measure of the industry activity. ISM non-manufacturing PMI. It is less important than other PMIs, but it is an important PMI. So the last one was 56.7, and they are predicting a 54.9. So something that is above this, it's going to be good for the dollar. Something below this level, below 55, 54.9, it's not going to be good for the dollar, right? That's the Euro USD. Any questions? Anything you'd like to share? When do you take profit? Okay. When do you take profit? Waste of times. Well, waste of time games. The take profit usually depends on how you're trading, right? If you're trading a scalping session like this one, I wouldn't go far from 15 to 20 pips, okay? Because we are scalping. You're not a scalper if you look for 100 pips, no. So we should look for that kind of take profit, around 20 to 20, 15, depending on the pair, okay? If you are more like a swing trader, you have to look for I think it's a good tool. I don't like to teach you right now because it's still being developed, but it is an interesting tool. Use this, right? This auto Fibonacci retracement or expansion levels. Look, the Fibonacci levels, I'm not going to explain that right now, okay? But they're important to try to predict some movements. It is around everywhere, everything that we know respect the Fibonacci numbers, right? Like this one, for instance, it is respecting right now this pair, the movement of the prices is around 1.618, which is 61.8%. It's the magical, it's the golden number, right? And we have that, look, how they stop here around, and they have to break this area to still go down, okay? So I think it's very intelligent to predict some movements and some take profit around this line. Always a little bit above or below, depending if you're taking a sell or a buy trade. And that's a number where we should be looking for, okay? Of course, if you are on a 15 minutes, that's the kind of level. If you are trading the 1 hour situation, it would be around, look, it's close to 0.618. It would be around 100%. I think you should be placing your take profit around here, okay? Or even further, if you want to be more like a swing trader, a root swing trader, right? Did I answer your question? Waste of time games, did I answer you? Okay. Please, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. It's pretty much important. Show some support to the channel. Show us some. Show us that you care, if I must say that. Okay. Yes, I answer. Very nice. Okay, if you want further assistance, you know where to look for. We have our Patreon page where you can join our signal groups, where you can have a mentorship for free, and where we can have important informations and insights about Forex, right? And sooner we're going to have more interesting situations. I'm just organizing my schedule with the SPN. So I think we're going to have important news around this month, right? Okay, let's keep going. Euro USD. GBP AUD, look at that. Beautiful pair. Look how the pattern is the same, guys. Can you see that? Can you see how the pattern is the same, right? A triple cross, an ADX pointing up, and we have this strong up movement in this case. Okay? It's the same. It doesn't change, right? It doesn't change. GBP CAD, nothing very interesting right now. GBP Chief, it's a counter trend, right? I don't like the daily going against my trade, so I jump out. GBP JPY was a beautiful, beautiful pair. Look, excellent pair to trade today. Okay, your entry could be around here, or it could have been around here. 2 points of entries. Okay, and it was still going, still going. 85. Let's see, almost. Where? Here. 97 pips. 97 pips. Incredible, incredible, incredible. 97 pips in a matter of 7 hours. 7 hours. One of the better pairs to trade today was GBP JPY. Okay. GBP NZD. We had a up movement. Let's see. All right, my take profit. Okay, it hit my take profit. It hit my take profit. Let's see. Yeah, money on the bank, guys. Can you see that? Okay. Nice. It's how trade works. I would like to show that view, but okay, there's no problem. There's no problem. So let's go to NZD CAD. We could have a downtrend over here. I don't like that because it was way around the beginning of the movement. Okay. NZD Chief, a counter trend. NZD JPY as well. Look, we don't have any interesting movement. I don't like this, so I rather just let it go. NZD USD, I can close this as well. This was the sell trend. Well, you could have take the trade over here. Yeah, but it was too far away from this movement. Okay. So I don't like this. I don't like this. I really don't. 10-year treasure. That's the Dow. Very flat. Very flat. USD CAD. Nothing. Sorry, nothing interesting very well. USD Chief. Look. USD JPY. That's the trade I took. Look. I took around here. I took around here. ADX pointing very strongly up. Moving average splitting from each other after a not perfect, but a good triple cross. So that's the movement we have. $78 pips, guys. Nothing bad, huh? And look at that. Look at that. Waste of time games. Sorry. Sorry. That's the movement. Look. Look where it touches. Look, around the 61.8 line. Okay? That's where my take profit was. Just let me erase this. Very strong pair, USD JPY. Very strong uptrend. The oil it's going down hard, very hard, and the gold it's going down as well. That's not a triple cross. It's not a perfect triple cross. So we should combine the best opportunities with the best ADX triple cross strategy. Okay. So when the triple cross happens, it's where we're gonna have an ADX pointing up. That's the opposite. What's going on here? That's the opposite. So we just should stay away from this. Okay. All right, guys. Do you have any questions? Do you have any doubts? Elliot Tyrell. I understand ADX green is up is and red is down. Could you explain if the signal is mixed? How do we interpret? Of course, Elliot, thanks for your question. It's not that complicated, right? When we have that's not the case, mixed feelings, we should analyze the relation between the daddy and the older brother. Okay, we are the little brother. Our trade's gonna be the little brother, and the daily time frame it's the dad, and the 4-hour time frame it's the older brother. Okay, in this case here, look, we have a 4-hour line very strongly, very, very strong, going up. And we have a thicker line, which is the daily, which is the daddy, going up as well. So the trade, it's all to the upside at this analysis, all right? Good. Let's find a pair where we have mixed feelings, okay? Euro AUD. No, right now it's not. Euro CAD, no, it's not as well. AUD CAD, it's going down, and you should be on profits over here. Okay, you should be in profit if you took this trade. Let's find a pair where we have mixed feelings. Okay, this one, for instance, although it's not the best, example. Okay, here we have the older brother going down and the father, the daily, going up. It's green, it's thicker, and it's getting thicker, and it's growing. Okay, the line is growing. Okay, it's going. In the other hand, it's going down, the 4-hour, and this line here, which represents the daily, it's above the 4-hour, so it's showing that the trend still up on the higher time frames. So the father is telling you, hey, please do not go that place, do not go in that direction, stay here with me, my kid. Although your older brother is going the other direction. So you should interpret that this period here, ups and downs, they are nothing but a consolidation period on a higher time frame. Okay, this is just a consolidation on a higher time frame, which is an uptrend for now. Okay, it doesn't have strength enough to go down. Look at this, it didn't have strength enough to go down, although it's not going up as well. Of course, we should not drive looking at the back mirror. You should look forward. We should not look backwards. We should not be driving, look to the backwards mirror, right? We should be looking in front of you. But you can have an analysis. So things are going up and down, it's not very clear where the price is going, right? So what you should do in this kind of situation, first of all, let the pair away. Don't trade this pair. Second, if there's a good and beautiful opportunity with a beautiful triple cross with an ADX pointing up, you should prefer to trade with your dad. You should prefer to trade with the thicker line, with the daily. Okay? Did I answer you, Elliot? Is that clear? That's how you interpret this situation here. Right now, it's absolutely consolidating. It's not going anywhere clearly. And if you are trading, look at the situation here. You should understand that the father is more reliable than your older brother. Okay? So do not go against your dad. In this case, look, beautiful triple cross, beautiful ADX pointing up, right? Why I shouldn't advise you to take this trade? Why? 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 Very simple. Because despite the older brother, it's going red, it is going down, and your father is pinkish. So it is for a sell. And look what happened. It's just a breathe and then went up. So it's just breathing to dive again in this sell trend. You are following your father. You are following the dad, the daily. Okay. So to sum up, you should not go against your dad, but you can trade if we have mixed situations. But look for your dad. Look where your dad is going. If your dad is going in the same direction that you want to go, you are allowed to trade. More carefully, of course, but you are allowed to trade. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for the question, Elliot. Sanyot Shah, are Forex bot really good? Please answer. Well, Sanyot, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name correctly. I'll tell you the real truth. What does a bot do, right? What does a bot do? A bot does nothing but automatic, automating a strategy, right? Automating a system, a setup. Okay. So what happened is, I don't like to get nobody looking for the charts over me, because I rather have my own analysis. I don't want anybody or any robot analyzing my system for me. Okay. But it can work, right? It can work. Why is that, Rafa? Because if you have a good system, a good setup, and your bot are very well tuned, that's why you have to test and overtest and overtest. If your bot is well adjusted, it's well built, and does the trade exactly and precisely how it should be, or how it is programmed to, it can work, right? It can work. I know traders that automate all of the trades that they take, right? And I know mid forex traders and experienced forex traders that uses robots, and I don't think there's anything against it. But in fact, it's just more like a personal thing. What we have today is the technologies, they are so advanced that they are really trading with robots. Okay, we have a lots of robots trading on the forex market, especially. Okay, And in certain situations, it's good because they're gonna trade no matter what. If the bot is turned on, it's okay. It is trading. So if it is trading, it's giving some liquidity to the market, right? So the robots right now, they are a result of a strong advanced technology, right? Working with the forex markets. They're the result of a lots of testing and over testing of a good system. So if the system is good, the system which the robot is trading for, if the system is good, if the system works, the robot's gonna work, right? The robot, it's gonna work. But in my opinion, you need a strong and solid system, right? What I have here in my system, it's pure price action analysis. That's pure technique. I really don't think a robot, or at least I don't see any robot doing something like this. I don't see any robot making this kind of analysis to myself or to anyone. Okay? There's so much thing to analyze. It's simple, but there's a lot of things to analyze. How could you condense this in some kind of, algorithms and logarithms and programming files that will produce a robot? I really don't think that, right? But I understand that there are some robots working and working well. Okay, they are working and they are working well. I can see that, and I have seen it. Okay, but Sanya, again, the robot needs to work with a system that works. So more than just analyzing if you have a robot, you have a robot that works for a system that's profitable. Otherwise, you're just going to sweep your account out. Okay, that's a very personal approach. You should understand that, right? I hope I had answered your question. Okay, thank you for your question, Senya. Waste of times. Yeah, looks good. Looks very good. Let's see. Let's see the AUD cat. It's mighty one. Yeah, you are on profit. You are on profit. Okay. Sorry, it was the 5 minutes where we took the analysis. Yes, you are on profit. You are absolutely in profit. Okay, let's see. All right, 80 pips, 6 pips. Let's go. Let's the trade run. Kumarson, my friend, how are you? I took USD Chief earlier. USD Chief, I think it was a good pair of trade. Let's see. I took USD JPY, Kumarson. USD Chief, you took earlier here. Okay, if you took from here, it was a good pair. Good pair trade. You could have taken from here. You would be around 23 pips. More than enough. More than enough. You should cut your profits and run. Okay? Because we are doing scalping trades. Okay? We're doing scalping. Trade from here. Your stop loss would be around here. Okay? And it would be a 1-to-1 risk ratio, I think. Okay, good trade, good spot. That's the trade I took. Look how it's consolidating around that 61.8 area where I let my take profit. It's consolidating right now. Okay. Yeah, I took it from here. It was in the middle of this. Right? Was a good trade, hasn't it? Was a good trade. Let's see. Yeah. Was around here. 77 pips. Nothing bad. Nothing bad at all. All right, guys, any other question? Any other questions? Thank you, Senor. Thank you. My pleasure. Do you have any questions? Elliot, did I answer you? Did I answer you? Let's take another spin. AUD CAD, good trade, going down. Going down. Let's go to the 5 minutes. So we are scalping, all right? We can expect some consolidation around this area here. Let's see. Look. Okay. We should expect some consolidation here. AUD Chief. AUD Chief. Let's see. Let's see. It have been testing around here. And right now, the ADX, it's going pinkish. Is it? Yeah. Let's wait for a while. Let's wait. Let's wait. A couple minutes. Let's let the trade arrange itself for us. You should not be rushing into the trade. The trade has to rush to you. Okay. AUD JPY, AUD NZD. Look at the father, huh? Look at the father, Elliot. Look how the father has the control. AUD USD seems to me like a good opportunity. It's going down. Bitcoin retracing. CAD Chief, oh my God, it's going up. Why I shouldn't take this trade? Why, Elliot? Why, Elliot? Answer me. Why I shouldn't take this trade despite this beautiful 16 pips profit? Why, Elliot? Can you answer me? Why I shouldn't take this trade? Why, Elliot? Elliot didn't answer me. Elliot, you didn't answer me. While Elliot is formulating its response, its answer, I will. Day is ready. Okay. Yeah. Day is ready. So that is red. The daily time frame. Okay. Kumaro-san, a question. So for scalping, 5 minutes time frame is recommended. Yeah, correct. The 5 minutes will give you better opportunities to jump earlier into these trades. Okay. If you're scalping, which again, I do not recommend if you're not experienced trade, but I do know that you love to scalp. Yes, you should take trades from the 5 minutes. Okay. CAD JPY. Oh my sweet lord, look at this. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Don't you feel yourselves happy when you see something like this? Do you have any kind of joy doing this? I feel very happy when I see something like this. Look, 130 pips and it's going up. And you know that it's going up. You knew it in advance. You should have taken it from here, the best opportunity, or from here, right? Using the same tactics, the same techniques. You're not doing anything against anything different. You're doing the same thing. So you will perform better and better and better if you just do the same thing. Come on, guys. Is it? Am I being so overexcited? Because it seems that we have found a way to trade, guys. Of course, it's not for everyone. It's complicated. It's difficult. In this case, look, the trade happened 2 in the morning here in Brazil, 3 in the morning here in Brazil, 2 in the morning here in Brazil. It's complicated. I know that. But you just have to look for trades on your time session, on your time zone, right? And they happen all the time. They happen on the daily New York London session, on daily Asian session. They happen all the time. You just have to wait and adapt to your best interest. Okay? It's beautiful. It's incredible. Guys, please hit the like button. I'm doing that for free. Please hit the like button. It's the least you can do for me. Elliot, so with the system, it seems good to enter trades of Asian pairs in Asian session, correct, Elliot? Oh, yes, you got it. You got it, right? Look, all those situations here, CAD JPY happens when we had the JPY pair going live, getting action. Okay? The JPY, at least one of the pairs should be related to that time session. Jeff JPY, the same thing here. AUD JPY, both are related to that time frame. AUD USD related to that time frame as well. Related to that time frame. AUD CAD related to that time frame. And look, as I told you, a support around here. A support around here. That's precisely what I told you, and that has a name. The name is price action, support and resistance. Okay? Look, I could place a support here. I could place a support here. Look how candles respect, then reaches this resistance. After winning this level here, as soon as it was strong enough to break this, right? It's no longer a support. What's going to be the next support? I don't know. Or the Fibonacci levels can show us. Not from here because this hasn't been already happening, okay? So let's wait. The next support was around here. As soon as it was strong enough to break it, no longer a support. Which was the next support? What's going to be the next support? Here. Then it went up. That's a resistance. And then went down again. So what do expect from here? The same thing that happens here and here. The candle must be strong enough to break this support. Break this support. Okay? And the trend will continue. Maybe it's going to have some consolidation here around. Maybe it's going to test the moving average again. Maybe it's going to test the moving average again. And then we'll come back and we'll try to break the support again. Can you understand the dynamics of it? Am I being too technical for you? Do you understand what I'm saying? Please, guys, it's very important to me because I need to adjust, to adapt the analysis in a way you can understand. Otherwise, it's just going to be words in the wind. You should understand that. AUD Chief, AUD JPY, AUD NZD. Look at the father ruling the system. AUD USD going down. CAD Chief, oh my God, going up. Going up. CAD JPY, beautiful. One of the best pairs to trade. All the JPY pairs were performing excellently. Does the word exist? Excellently? I think I just made up. DXY, let's see. Oh, the DXY. Now the DXY. Do you know what the DXY means, right, guys? It means that the dollar is strong right now. Let's see how that was. There was that number here. We are waiting for the non-PMI. It's about to come. Okay? It's about to come. Look at this euro. I like that. Really like that. Look at the 5 minutes. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 girl. Look at this from here. Oh, God. 40 pips. Come on. That's great. That's awesome. That's awesome. I missed it. I missed it. I really miss it. Euro JPY, now it's retracing for a while, but it was a beautiful pair to trade. Look, you could have taken the trade around here. The max was 127. You should be exiting the trade around here. 88 bits. Nothing bad, huh? Are you okay with 88 pips? I am pretty much comfortable. GBP AUD retracing. Guys, good opportunities, huh? Good opportunities. Look at this. Look at this GBP CAD. Oh my God. Look at this GBP CAD. 30 pips. 30 pips already. GBP Chief. Good pair to trade as well. Why can I take this trade, Rafa? Why? It's mixed. It's grayish. It's not pink. Oh, yeah. But my dad is telling me to go. My dad is backing me up. Dad's backing me up, not my older brother. That's why I should obey my dad. And he has the power. GBP Chief, the same here. My dad has the power. So I'm going with my dad. I'm going with the daily. I'm going with the trend here, the higher time frame trend. Okay. GBP JPY, now it's going up. GBP NZD, mixed feelings, but that it's going down. That it's going down. GBP USD totally down. NZD CAD down. That is going down. That it's going down. So I should have taken this trade around here. That would be 13 pips in profit. Look how many pips I've been showing you. Look how many trades I'm showing you. NZD USD. USD CAD. USD Chief retracing. USD JPY retracing as well. Oil prices are retracing as well. VIX, that's the fear index. And gold is going down. Look, we were looking at gold, right? And look how it is smashed this support here. Just smashed it with this candle. Guys, are you following me on the analysis? Please say something. Please say something. Hello, Forex friends. How are you? How are you? Kaiser Abdali. Hello, Kaiser. Where are you talking from? Where are you guys talking from? Okay, guys, I'll be out for 2 minutes. I'm going to the bathroom and I will be coming back very, very soon. Okay? Just a second. Don't go nowhere. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. My kid was going to school, so I just need to talk to him. Okay. Are you jumped in some particular trades? Did you jump? Thank you, Kamara-san. Thank you, my friend. Great, guys, great. It's very important that you're following me, my analysis, my explanations, and everything, because again, we need to be on the same page here. Okay, we need to be on the same page. That's pretty much important. Pretty much important, right? AUD CAD, AUD Chief. Let's wait for the AUD Chief. Look how we clearly have a support here. Is that clear for you guys? Okay, guys. Sorry, my wife was talking to me here. Okay. Any other questions? Do we have any other doubts and things to talk about? Does anybody want to jump and talk to me live? Does anybody want that? Forex friends, you had shown some interest on talk to me live. Do you want to jump in? Do you want to jump in? Yes or no? Yes or no? Give me an email. Waste of times. Do you trade Asian? Good question. Good question. I do not trade Asian that much, right? Because usually I'm working, right? I work many days. I work at night, so I cannot follow the Asian session. Okay, I can't follow the Asian session. It's difficult for me. It's more difficult to me, right? So I would like to trade more often than I really does, but I consider that it's the third session uh, in a scale, right? The first and the best session is London and New York. The second it's London, right, and Frankfurt. Frankfurt, okay. Many traders do not talk about that much, but we have the Frankfurt session as well. Okay, it's 1 hour before London, so we have Tokyo, Frankfurt, and London opening. That's great moment to trade. And then we have the Asian session, right? Around in my time session, in my time zone, around 10 p.m. And usually I'm working at this, so it's more complicated, right? But you are allowed to trade, right? You are allowed to trade. You can trade it. We have good opportunities at this time session. Okay. All right. Our trade is performing 15 pips. All right. Guys, it's completely up to you, right? I'm just showing you good opportunities to trade. Okay. That's the only thing I'm showing you. Okay. So you are grown up. That's just for educational purpose, right? I'm trying to educate you to look for trades, to look for opportunities. Okay. Did I answer your question? Please, guys, hit the like button, hit this subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, I really, really encourage you to do that. I need you to do that. I really need that. Okay. We have 9 likes. 9 likes right now. So please help the channel. Please do so. I really, really appreciate your comprehension in your support. So show me some support. Hit the like button. Okay. If you did not hit the like button, you can hit right now. And guys, another thing, you can share this link with other members, with other, Telegram groups, Forex Telegram groups that you're making part. So the more people know about the system, the more people understand how to trade, the better the system will perform, the best things will be done, the more opportunities people will have to, engage a different situation, work themselves, have some second income. So it's pretty much important, guys, for you to share this content as well. Okay, share the video, show to someone. Okay, I think it's very important, very, very important. Okay, Jamie Faishon, hey Rafa, like the progress you're making from simplicity until now. Keep the good work. Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. Yes, we are improving things here. Okay, I think we have a more solid system, a free system, a system that's much more modern and do not depends on any other indicators, any other sell indicators. I'm not here to sell anything, guys, especially indicators, especially the setup. Okay, if you want follow the signals, if you want my mentorship, of course it has to be paid, but otherwise I'm just showing you how you can really perform, how you can really make this as a truly living for yourself. Okay, I'm running a business out here. I'm running a business. Of course, I have to wake up early. I have to select signals. I have to select the best pairs. Right? It's a lot of responsive. Very, very, very responsive. Right? I'm responsible for that, and I like to be responsible for that. I feel myself qualified to do that, to be a mentor for you, because I have been trading for over 5 years, and right now I'm pretty confident that it's a winnable game. It was a winnable game with simplicity, okay, and still be a winnable game, and a more reliable, a more simple system where we can finally beat the markets regularly. Okay, doesn't matter the time frame we're trading, doesn't matter the moment we are trading, the system performs the same way, the same way. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, we don't need more than that to trade. We don't need more than that. 20 pips. Okay, so I have showed you 20 pips here. I've showed you pips here. I showed you pips here. I showed you pips here. Okay, opportunities everywhere, doing the same thing, Look, 9:30. That's my. It's when the live session happened. Look how good opportunities do we have. 30 pips, at least 30 pips here. Okay. 9:30, 9:25, 9:30. Look at this. Look, 25 pips. Okay, so I'm showing you guys. I'm really showing you. You do whatever you want with this information, but I am showing you. I'm proving you that we have good opportunities to trade. Okay, I'm showing you that, and I'm proud of it. I'm really proud of it. Look, the euro. I told you guys. I told you. It could be a good pair to trade. Look, 30 pips, 30 pips, over 150 pips. GBP Chief as well, look. Okay, so it's up to you to follow what I'm telling you. Look at this NZD CAD. Look at this. Oh my God. 950, where we have the opportunity. Look, 25 pips. How many opportunities do you have trading other systems? Scalping, right? Other systems. I really haven't come across something like that. And I'm very proud that I have created this. This is something that I have created. Okay, look. 26, you could be out of this. 16 pips. Okay, it's money on your pocket. Okay, you should go out. It's money on your pocket. Get the money and run. NZD, USD. Another 15 pips. Right? USD JPY, a trade that I showed you that I was in. I showed you. Look how many pips I had. It was 77 pips. Right now, 67 from here to here. Doing the same thing. It's incredible how the system can perform consistently. It's incredible. It's fascinating, by the way. Fascinating. Isn't it? Yeah. It really is. Okay, do you have any questions? I didn't count how many pips we could have strike today. Would you like to show yourself and tell us how many pips? I'll make a shout out here as well. Our Forex Rafa group and the Forex for Life group. Okay, people must know about this. People must know about the system. The system is rock solid. It's very profitable. Very, very profitable. And we are not in the end. The session, it's not closing. Any other question, guys? Other stuff you'd like to show? Okay. 1 hour and 20 minutes. Let's go to 1 hour and a half of trading. Okay. Elliot, how do you suggest we scan the market to catch these pips? Elliot, I suggest you to go to a time session where you can feel comfortable with, right? You run into that time session and just go scanning the pairs, just like as we are doing here. Okay? Just like we are doing here. Wait for the situations, wait for the opportunities, wait, patience, till the market shows you that it's the moment to trade. Okay? For now, markets is just turning around for a while. It's very normal. There is always a moment where markets start to turn around. Okay, it's the beginning of the ending of the London session, right? It's where the London session is about to close. Sorry for that, guys. And right before that, we have a turnaround. And why is that, Rafa? It's because the London and the European traders, they start to close their position and book the profits. Isn't it right? They start to look for opportunities and they analyze the markets. The big traders, the big sharks, they analyze the markets and they just decide, okay, I'll leave it. That's okay for me. I'm done. And that's what they do. They just close the trades. That's why we have a pullback around this time. It's because they start to close the trades that they were in and book the profits. So Elliot, that's the routine I think we should be doing. Okay, look, beautiful triple cross, ADX going up. You place your trade. If it have reached 20, 25 pips, you can close it. We are scalping. And that's it. That's it. Am I being clear, Elliot? Do you understand the routine? It's because it's really clear. It's very simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. Okay, so answering your question, the routine you should have is look for a time session where you can feel comfortable trading. You can scan the pairs. First of all, the pairs with the trend, select, do not trade anyone. Just look for the pairs, okay? And then you go from AUD CAD to gold. You have a first look, then you can come back and you can flag the pairs you like the most. Okay? So then you can come back because maybe you're not going to remember. And you come back, oh, those are the pairs. I think we can have good opportunities. Let me recheck them. Okay, good opportunity here. Well, not very good opportunity right now. It's retracing. Let's wait. Oh, good opportunity here. Let's trade. So that's it. You have your blue list, the pairs you can trade, you feel comfortable trading, and you select the best pairs to trade. That's it. That's it. Does the system detect range markets consolidation phases? Yes, Jamie. Yes, it does. Look, when we have the triple cross too close to the blue line, it means that markets is flat, almost flat, and we have a very flat ADX as well. Very flat ADX as well. Look, that's consolidation periods, especially on the higher time frames. Look, consolidating. Okay? When we have a trend, that's how markets perform. The triple cross split from each other. We have a triple cross, perfect triple cross, combined with a growing ADX. The sharper, the better. The more angled, the better. So at the same time, we have these two conditions happening. That's the moment that where we have a trend running, not a consolidation period. Look, consolidating. And there's this dotted line here, right? That's the 20 line, 25 line, which means that below this area, the ADX is showing you that there is no strength on the trend or the strength is too low. when it crosses around this area, it's where the magic happens. Okay. So Rafa, we should be looking for trades right after this. No. You can look for trades before this as well. What we have here is just another information about the trend, which means that, well, the trend is really getting stronger. Okay? Did I answer you, Jamie? Good morning, Cold War. You were late for the show. You were late for the show. My friend Joseph. All right, guys, we are close. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you very much. We're about to close. I really appreciate your company here. I really appreciate everybody that has attended today's meeting. I really encourage you to, share this link. Share the link with the more groups, Telegram groups you can, the more people you know who may be interested on trading and trading analysis. We are here together. Okay, we are here to build a community. We're gonna remember when this community is a lot bigger, like 2,000, 5,000 subscribers, 5,000 live traders with me here. Okay, you're gonna remember those moments, and I will remember who was with me on the early times. Okay, so tell everybody about the system. It's for free. I'm not selling anything. And of course, if you'd like further assistance, if you need further counseling, if you need signals, okay, you can, already join the group, patreon.com, the Forex Rafa, where you can share some information, where we can share signals, and you can have a mentorship for free with me, right? I really want to thank to the Waste of Times game that was here with me, Adosei Sakori, okay? I would like to thank Elliot Tyrell, Sanyot Shah, the Forex friend, Kwarso, my friend, all the people that was here with me, okay? Kaiser as well, first time I see him here. And Jamie Scaife. Thank you very much, guys. Frederick, thank you very much. I really appreciate everything. Thank you, Cold War, as well. I really look forward to see you next time tomorrow, same time here, for another good session, I hope. Today markets were good. We should thank for that. Should be thankful for that. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy everything. And I think that this game is winnable, okay? This game is definitely winnable. Forex friend is asking about Euro NZD. Euro NZD. So let's see. Euro NZD. No. There's nothing here, guy. Nothing here. Nothing. 5 minutes. Well, it's not a perfect triple cross. ADX, it's almost flattened. It's really beginning something, but it's almost flattened. And I don't know. I don't know. I think it's not the best pair to trade right now. Okay. Indeed, I think that we already having a turning back. Okay, a pullback. So be careful. Okay, be very careful. We are here to scalp. Okay, but it's up to you. You're a grown-up man, guy. I show you the tools, and you can build the trade you want. Okay, but I don't think it's the best moment for you to trade, right? Okay, Forex friends, did I answer you? Okay, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this live session with everybody on your Telegram groups, with your family, with your friends, everybody that may be interested in some Forex information, Forex news, Forex trading sessions. Okay? I really appreciate everybody. Thank you very much. See you next time. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.